Hello, my name is Jamila Smith. I am a student in ACG 3401, Accounting and Information Systems. For this assignment, I created 3 visuals as seen on the screen from a data set from Guild Incorporation. This data set includes the period, the code, the invoice, the document, the customer name, the account receivable, and the amount which hit the account. For this first visual, I created a graph which shows the sales made on an account each month. As you can see, May we had about 4.7 million sales made on accounts receivable. April we had the second greatest sales made on account receivable, about 3.2 million, followed by February, June, May. Since we just finished quarter 2, I wanted to highlight the sales made on an account receivable in quarter 2, April to May, in this graph. So in this graph, I show the sales made on an account receivable during quarter 2, which just closed June 30th. But in this graph, I wanted to highlight the customers which we made sales to on account receivable. If you click on each color, you can see the customer and the amount and the week the sale was made. We see a lot of orange, which is Academy Sports, Dick's Sporting Good. We see REI. But we see this spike in week 19, and if you look at quarter 2, it almost follows a bell shape, a normal curve. We see it about week 19, the second week in May. We have a spike of 1.3 million sales made on an account. A large part of that being Smith Supplies. A large part of week 22 is also REI. So in the next graph, I wanted to highlight customers who we regularly make sales to on account receivables. So I want to highlight these customers. Each one of these customers, we've made over $100,000 worth of sale on account receivable. The most going to Delray Distribution, followed by Dick's Sporting Good, REI, and Smith Supplies. And here in this graph, you can see, compared to the other companies, how much went to the larger companies who we make account receivables on, make sales on account receivable. These are the 3 visuals I chose to make from the data set, and this concludes my project.